Hello everyone, today we are at Palki village of Narayanpur block which is in Narayanpur district of Chhattisgarh. Today under HDFC Parivartan project, we are organizing a training program for SHG women at Agriculture Resource Center. In this training program, total 14 women are participating and they are from Zimmedari Mata Self-Help Group. In today's training, we are going to teach them that how to do production of 3 natural farming products which are Jeevamrit, Neem Astra and Agni Astra. These 3 natural products can be made using the locally available materials and they help in improving the soil health, protecting crops from harmful insects and reducing the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Jeevamrit is a natural liquid fertilizer which is low cost and easy to prepare, and it helps in increasing the number of microorganisms which are present in the soil. For making 20 liters of Jeevamrit, we need 20 liters of water, 1 to 2 kg of fresh cow dung, 1 to 2 liter of cow urine, 200 to 300 grams of jaggery, 200 grams of gram flour or any pulse flour. All the materials are mixed properly in a plastic drum and then mixture is kept in a shaded place for 48 hours. It is fully ready in 25 to 30 days. But if you need it urgently, then you can use it after 15 days. But then it will be less effective. Neem Astra is a natural pesticide which is very easy to prepare and it is generally used in natural farming. It is used to control the harmful insect which generally feed on plant sap. To prepare 20 liters of Neem Astra, we need 20 liters of water, 4 kg of neem leaves and soft neem branches, 1 kilogram of neem seed kernel or neem cake, 5 kg of fresh cow dung and 2 liters of cow urine. For making Neem Astra, the neem materials are crushed into small pieces. Then they are mixed with cow dung, cow urine and water in a plastic drum. Then the mixture is kept in a shaded place for 48 hours. It is fully ready in 25 to 30 days. But if you need it urgently, then you can use it after 15 days. But then it will be less effective. Agni Astra is a powerful natural pesticide which is used for pest control. It is mainly used to control caterpillars, stem borers, leaf-eating insects and other harmful pests that can damage crops. To prepare 20 liters of Agni Astra, we need 20 liters of water, 1 kg of green or dry chili, 500 grams of garlic, 500 grams of tobacco and 5 liters of cow urine. For preparing Agni Astra, first the chili, garlic and tobacco are crushed and mixed with cow urine. Then the mixture is heated until it starts boiling lightly. After cooling, it is kept in a shaded place for 48 hours. This practical demonstration will help these women to understand the methods clearly and give them confidence to use these techniques in the future. This training is not only about farming, it is also about empowering women. When women gain knowledge and skills, they become stronger and more confident. The women of Zimmedari Mata self-help group are taking an important step towards sustainable agriculture. Their learning today can benefit their families, farms and the entire village. So we can say that together they are improving agriculture, together they are protecting nature, and together they are building a brighter and healthier future for their village and their next generation.